Hi there, Blake Christensen, Greenberg Realty. Thanks for watching this video. Either you're really bored or you're super curious on what it is that you need to do if you're looking to sell your home. Well, thanks for watching, because in this episode, I am going to give you tips and tricks to helping you sell your home fast and effectively. So come on in, let's take a look. Whoa! From the minute the buyer walks through your front door, make sure there's no lingering odors that are going to hit them right in the face right when they step through your front door. One of the biggest focal points in your home is the kitchen. One of the biggest items that I will discuss with you is to declutter countertops, take magnets off the fridge, get rid of all that extra clutter, because you don't want your kitchen countertops looking like this. You want them looking more like this. Throughout the process of selling your home, you want to really focus on clean, clean, and clean. Your house should be clean at least weekly, if not daily, to give a good presentation to the buyers coming through. An area to really put extra focus on is the bathroom. You want to have nice clean countertops, nice clean tile floors, and when you go through into the master bedroom, you just want everything neat and clean and not in disarray. Don't forget about the living space. This living room is laid out nicely, where you have the couch, the love seat, and you have a really good consistent flow throughout the living room. You don't want a buyer to be walking through your house and worry that he might trip on something trying to walk through your home. Don't fret the small stuff. If you didn't get around to doing all of the improvements that you were hoping for at your home, such as putting new flooring in or replacing the kitchen cabinets, it's okay. Your home is still going to sell, so don't worry about it and don't let it hold you back from selling your home. Now that we focused inside, follow me outside for more tips and tricks. Come on, let's go. For the outside of your home, during the wintertime, you really want to make sure your driveway is cleared of snow and ice. You don't want buyers slipping while they're coming to view your home. If it's the summertime, you want to keep your lawn really well manicured as well. The outside curb appeal of your home is the first thing buyers see, so make sure you don't forget about that. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips and tricks were helpful in your decision on selling your home. Please give me a call. I'd love to hear from you so I can help get your home sold just like this one.